Welcome friends, let's start discussing UPSC previous year questions on the topic of polity. First question, right to privacy is protected as an intrinsic part of right to life and liberty. Which one of the following in the Constitution of India correctly and appropriately imply the above statement? See, it is a simple question, but UPSC has twisted the language. Listen, right to privacy, they themselves have said it is intrinsic part of right to life. So which one of the following is correct? Listen carefully. Now, as we are already aware, most of the questions in polity are related to current affairs. More than 90% of the questions are related to current affairs. So, right to privacy, was it in news? Yes, it was in news since 2017 Puttu Swami case, as we have already discussed. So, right to life is under Article 21, and if it is intrinsic, for right to privacy is intrinsic under right to life, so obviously the correct answer has to be 21. So if you observe, the correct answer will be C, Article 21 and the freedoms guaranteed in part 3. So question was very simple, but it was twisted, language was little bit twisted, else it was as simple as question, that is right to privacy is discussed under which article? It is Article 21 of Indian Constitution, because they themselves have answered that it is a part of right to life, and everyone knows that right to life falls under Article 21. So correct answer will be C. Article 14, listen carefully, it is regarding equality, 17 is regarding untouchability, and 24 is regarding child labor. So bacha hai ki Article 21, that is regarding right to life. Second, which article of Constitution of India safeguards one's right to marry the person of one's choice? Can I simply say it is nothing but right to marry? Now, do we have right to marry? Now, you may say, sir, why UPSC is asking such type of questions? Again, I repeat same, the topic was in current affairs. As I earlier said, right to privacy includes many things. Right to privacy includes many things for you. Now, here, there was a case from Kerala, that is Hadia case, in which Hindu girl married to Muslim boy. The case was regarding that. In that case, court passes a reference that is right to marry with a person of your choice falls under Article 21. Is this intrinsic part of right to life, that is right to privacy also. So obviously the correct answer will be Article 21. But unfortunately in the exam most of the students have click at Article 19 because they consider right to marry is a freedom. So please, under Indian Constitution, it will be falls under Article 21, Hadia case. Next, which one of the following categories of fundamental rights incorporates untouchability as a form of discrimination? Now listen carefully. Untouchability is discussed under Article 17 of Indian Constitution. Now let us see the options. First option is right against exploitation. It is 23 and 24. Second is right to freedom. It is 19 to 22. Third is right to constitutional remedies. It is 32. So only one is left, that is right to equality, that is 14 to 18. So correct answer will be D. So please, there is no need to mug up all articles. If you even memorize more than 150 articles of the Indian Constitution, that is more than sufficient. Now again you may say, is it necessary to mug up? No, not at all. For example, first just do the parts, that under part 1, part 2, part 3, like that. Then if part 3 is regarding fundamental rights, then divide fundamental rights into subgroup and then divide again into subgroup. This is the way, if you can do it, then it will become more easy. Next, other than fundamental rights, which of the following parts of Constitution of India reflects the principles regarding human rights? Human rights के बारे में कौन-कौन से एरियाज है जहाँ पे ये क्लियरली दिखता है? Preamble, yes, it is true. DPSP, true. And fundamental duties also true. Yes, it is true. So answer will be D, all three. Now last, which part of the Constitution of India declares ideal of welfare state? So if you observe properly, this question is already repeated DPSP fundamental rights preamble 7th schedule. 7th schedule तो नहीं आएगा because it talks about the list. Preamble, fundamental rights and DPSP. The correct answer is DPSP article 36 to 51. DPSP are positive instructions given to the state, though they are non-justifiable in the court of law, they are justiciable in the court of people, and they talks about welfare state. So correct answer would be A. We'll stop here. Meet once again. Thank you very much.